Hello students, so here in this video we are going to play with the structure of atoms. Yay, are you excited? Okay, first of all we know that an atom is the smallest part, okay, of matter. It is the smallest particle which is indivisible, and it has actually three particles. What are they? Proton, neutrons and electrons in it. Protons and neutrons are actually residing here in the nucleus, which is here in the center, while electrons, they will be revolving around the nucleus here. And here actually as you see in the periodic table where we have different elements, and today we are going to see the arrangement of them. Okay, let's see if we are talking about hydrogen. Okay, yes, okay, it has one electron and one proton, so it is neutral atom. Let's talk about lithium. Okay, oh wow, it has become helium. Helium is here because it has two protons in it, has two protons and two electrons, okay, and two neutrons as well. Okay, now let's talk about the third one. Can you think of, when I put third one, what is it going to be? Because elements, okay, are arranged in the periodic table according to the increasing proton number, and they are increasing this way. You see my cursor is moving here, so it is increasing this way, right? So hydrogen was 1, helium was 2, and now lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, 6, 7 and so on. Let's try. So third one, you are going to tell me lithium. Yay, it's here, right? So it has 3. Okay, proton. Okay, one thing did you observe? Okay, when I didn't put electron, it has 3 proton and 2 electron. It is actually positive ion. Why? It has more proton than electron. Protons carry positive charge, electrons are negative, so there is one more proton which is actually giving it +1 charge. Okay, when I put the third one, it will become neutral atom. Okay, understand? Now yes, which one is the next one? So here you see these are actually, here what do we have? Beryllium. So it has 4 electrons as well. So this is how it has become neutral. Okay, so this is how it works. I hope that you have understood about the arrangement of electrons and protons and neutrons in an atom, and this is how it works. Okay, see you in my next lecture. Bye for now.